The MASOANT electronic keypad deadbolt lock offers reliable keyless entry with a bright, responsive keypad that is easy to see and use even in the dark, while still including traditional keys as a backup option. It supports multiple permanent user codes, plus a single one-time access code, which is very handy for guests, pet sitters, or cleaners without constantly handing out physical keys. An automatic locking function with an adjustable delay helps ensure the door is not accidentally left unlocked, and a vacation mode can disable all regular codes when you are away for extra peace of mind. The lock is built with a solid metal housing and a sturdy cylinder, and its weather-resistant design makes it suitable for both interior and exterior doors in a variety of climates. Security-oriented touches like protection against prying eyes when entering a code, a limit on repeated wrong entries, a quiet mode, and a clear low battery warning add up to a thoughtful, everyday user experience. Installation is straightforward on most standard left or right-handed doors using only a screwdriver, and the battery-powered design avoids any hard wiring or smart home hub complexity.